Hey everybody, we're back with Digitoys, but you may notice something looks very different. What are these, Nick?
Stickers.
Stickers! So, right, in our blind boxes, we've always had everything else, but now we have stickers, right? We've seen all of the blister packs where we've opened stuff, right? And we have no other blind boxes. We have no open stickers yet, right? Something else, by the way, check this out. Some medallions, real quick look, right? So when they changed from Cryptoys to Digitoys, we were here. Bingo, see? New name, new chapter, same mission. Let's go back to the backpack, right? Grass is greener. This was for connecting my abstract wallet, right? That's the new blockchain here. And first through the portal. So being an OG member, we got that. But that's not what we're here to do today. We're here to open up some stickers. So two things. One is, first we've got ZooFO Escape. And these are the ones that we know Cryptoys, Digitoys, has made. Right? These are their characters. Whole new thing, whole new experience. We'll look in a minute. They've also partnered with Claynosaurs. And we were able to pick up a couple of these. Now, these little bubbles that you see, like at the supermarket, you put on a quarter, you get like a little silly toy inside of it. Not nearly as cool as these toys. They're called Gachapons, right? So sticker gotcha, that's what it is, right? So you pop it open and you see what's what. So we're going to start.
What are Claynosaurs?
We're going to go back to that in a sec, right? We'll explain all that. So in here, right, let's first open up one of the ZooFO Escape ones, right? So there it is, unbox. And we're not going to do them all from here. We're going to do a couple of them differently, but we'll show you that in a separate video. So first things first, let's click unbox. Check it out. So there it is. All right, if you click here, it gives you some information about it. All unknown because it's still sealed. So what do? We gotta shake it. Shake it. Close that down. Swipe repeatedly to open. And like always, we got a number. Wow, number 14. Pretty low. Pretty cool. And there you go. So if we go back here, look at that. See? And there he is.
Cool.
There you go. So that's the first sticker. Now, we're going to show you guys more. We're going to open up some other ones, and then we'll show you more about what stickers do and what their purpose is. Now, to answer Nikki's question, Claynosaurs are another project that they have partnered with to make stickers of. And there, look at them. They're so cute. They're clay dinosaurs, right? So these are all the Claynos, though the dinos, right? That are the Claynos. Animation, it's gaming, it's merchandise, and more, as they say. So it's a whole new universe, a whole new IP that previously existed, and they've partnered with Digitoys to now bring these stickers to the Digitoys platform. You can play and collect, right? Explore the collection and get those things as well, right? So that's what that is, and we'll come back to those stickers. All right. So what you see is here we've got a couple different ones here, right? That one's now open, and there it is. All right. Then we have some other stickers that we've that you can get along the way. That's what they look like. And see, and all the way up into Ultra Grails, just like that. See?
Cool. I'm gonna open a Claynosaur one.
There it is.
Cool.
So while we're here, let's pop open. There you go. And then Nick, I'll let you just roar. All right. So let it load, and then you're gonna have to press down and click, and then shake your finger back and forth. Yeah, hold it down. There you go. Wrap it up. And he's cool.
Oh, he's cool. I
can see, there's 96 of them. He's a common. And number 28 of 96. And there you go.
Nice.
That's it. All right. So now you've seen one of each, one Digitoy, one Claynosaur, and we will be back with more openings and a different experience to show you what it's like. Okay. Cool, cool. I don't know why it says a box. That's weird. That shouldn't say a box. No items collected. Huh. That was a little bit strange, wasn't it? Must just not have refreshed. There we go. All right, we got this 5-pack here. Unfortunately, this is bronze. Silver and gold sold out before I got to them, just like they did over here as well. So if you want any of these, you've got your regular one, you've got your bronze one, go get each of them as quickly as you can because they are limited. They will not last forever, and when they're gone, they're gone. You can see here, right? Silver's already sold out, as is gold. And then here on UFO Escape, bronze is sold out also, as is silver, as is gold on those guys. So that means all that's left is the regular one on UFO Escape, but you still have these two for Claynosaurs. So now's the time. Check them out, and we'll be back with other videos soon. All right, everybody, enjoy.